Now, the opposition has continued to fearmonger on the EC exercise despite the Supreme Court giving its go-ahead for the exercise and despite EC sources revealing the presence of non-citizens in the state. Tejasvi Yadav has continued to fearmonger. Addressing his supporters, the RJD leader had an R-par warning. He said that this is not Gujarat, this is Bihar, where people are alert and the EC can't take away their right to vote.
अब की बार बिहार से आर पार होगा और मोदी जी और इलेक्शन कमीशन ये ना समझे कि गुजरात है, ये जो है बिहार है और बिहार के लोग सचेत हो चुके हैं, अलर्ट है। आप देखिएगा जहां 90% मतदाता वंचित उपेक्षित वर्ग से, उनकी रोटी छीन सकते हैं, लेकिन वोट का अधिकार जो है भाजपा इलेक्शन कमीशन छीन नहीं सकती।
My colleague Pragya is joining us on the broadcast with the details of what the opposition has been saying. And Pragya, the question is, why this fear mongering? The election commission has said that the exercise is being conducted in all fairness. The matter is now pending in the Supreme Court. But yet, the opposition continues to fearmonger.
Well, the fact is that they have always had a doubt over institutions like Election Commission of India, and this is what they are voicing. When Mr. Tejasvi Yadav said that the voters and BLOs both are confused, Election Commission came out to clarify that BLOs are doing their work, they are going door to door, and they are also flagging that there are many residents of various countries like Nepal, Bangladesh and Myanmar who are residing, who have government IDs and documents like Aadhaar, voter card and also ration card also, to say that we are the voters of Bihar and we will vote for Bihar elections as well. But Election Commission, being Election Commission, and also one of the main duties is to ensure that only the citizen of the country is allowed to vote in the elections. They are ensuring that they will do a proper investigation into this and also ask these voters to give their proof of birth here and to establish their citizenship. And this will, if they are proved citizenship of some other country, they could not produce the document, then their name will not feature in the final list electoral roll which is going to come out in September. That Election Commission has made it very clear that if you are not a citizen of India, you cannot vote for the elections. It's similar in Bihar, but the opposition is doubting Election Commission on that and also alleging that Election Commission is playing in the hands of BJP and has become a B team of BJP because they are trying to disenfranchise those people who are their voters. But there are many questions when opposition says this, because how do you know who have been disenfranchised and how do you know they were your voters? So this is a big question mark on the narrative of the opposition as well. As far as the Bihar voters are concerned, they are alert, they are very aware, and in fact they will also help the BLOs to give the documents that are needed. If there is any, not just that, there are booth level agents of these political parties who are also ensuring that the voters, at least their voters, are going to feature in the draft electoral list which is going to come out in August. So all of that, the extensive exercise of special intensive revision of electoral roll is undergoing. And everyone is participating in that. At a time when everyone is saying that let's do this and that this is not going to stop, casting aspersion on Election Commission, an institution like that, is also raising a very big question mark on the opposition and the play that they are going to play in the Bihar election. And not just that.
Where is the